Good morning students. In this video we will see about the power of lens. So what do you mean by power of lens? The capacity of a lens to converge or diverge incident ray is called its power P. कन्वर्ज म्हणजे एकत्र येणे, आपण याच्या आधी बघितलेलं आहे, आणि डायव्हर्ज म्हणजे वेगवेगळे होणे. जेव्हा इन्सिडेंट रे कन्वर्ज होतात, एकत्र येतात किंवा वेगवेगळे होतात, त्याला काय म्हणतात? पॉवर. And the power of lens, it depends on the focal length. And children, you can see that it is the inverse of its power is the inverse of its focal length, and it is expressed in meters. And what is the unit of power? The unit of power of a lens is diopter. See, it is given formula P is equal to 1 upon F. Focal length is measured in meter, but power of a lens is measured in diopter. See, 1 diopter is equal to 1 upon 1 meter. Now we will see combination of lens. If two lenses with focal length f1 and f2 are kept in contact with each other, so what will happen? The combination has an effective focal length, and it is given by 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. In the same way, power of the lens, see children, it is given in the blue color box. If the power of the two lenses are P1 and P2, then the effective power is taken as combination as P is equal to P1 plus P2. Here we are taking 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2, but here we are taking P is equal to P1 plus P2. Thus, when two lenses are kept touching with each other, the power of the combined lens is equal to the sum of their individual powers. Means, if two lenses are kept near each other, so what if you have to find out the power of that both the lens, what you have to do? You have to do the addition, as we have told you, P is equal to P1 plus P2. Now we will see here numerical example. Two examples are given, children. So here first one, what is that? An object is placed vertically at a distance of 20 cm from a convex lens. See children, vertically at a distance of 20 cm from a convex lens. That means how much will be the distance we will take? It is taken as u is equal to minus 20 cm. Why? Because here it is taken distance 20 cm from a convex lens. So here we are taking it on the left side, and left side when we are taking the distance on the left of O, we are taking it as negative. That's why you can see in the given, children, u is equal to minus 20 cm. Height of, if the height of the object is 5 cm, that means h1 is equal to 5. And the focal length always we take is f. It is how much? 10 cm. Then what you have to do? You have to find out what will be the position, size and nature of the image. How much bigger will the image be as compared to the object. So now only I told you h1 is equal to height of the image object is equal to h1 is equal to 5 cm. Focal length 10 cm. Distance of the object u is equal to minus 20 cm. Why we are taking minus? Because it is on the left side of the optical center. Object is always placed on the left side. So u is equal to minus 20. You have to find out image distance, height of the image and magnification. So for that we know the formula, children. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. U we have minus 20, f we have 10. 1 upon u, so we are taking minus 1 upon u on the right side, so you will get 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon f. In place of u, you will put minus 20. In place of f, you will put 10. So what you will do while after solving by taking the LCM, you will get minus 1 plus 2 upon 20. 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 20, and v is equal to 20 cm. What is the positive sign shows? The positive sign of the image distance shows that the image is formed at 20 cm. And on the other side, see I told you, if it is on the right side of the optical center, that means it will be positive. So it is on the other side of the lens. The answer we got positive 20 cm. That means it is on the right side of the optical center. That means other side of the lens. Now you have to find out the value of h2. I told you in the previous h2 upon h1 is equal to v upon u. We have v, we have u, we have to find out the value of h2. So h1 we are taking it on right side, so we have written v upon u into h1. What is the value of V? 20 we got. U minus 20 and H1 is 5. 20 get cancelled. We got minus 1 into 5. H2 is equal to minus 5. So you have to find out M. Main thing is we have to find out M. M is equal to V upon U. How much V you got? 20. You got minus 20. So magnification will be minus sign. The negative sign of the height of the image and the magnification shows, what is the negative sign? Shows that the image is inverted and real. And whenever it is negative, that means it is below the principal axis. I told you, if it is above, from that Cartesian sign we can see. If it is above, that means it is positive. If it is negative, if it is below, that means it is negative. So the negative sign, what it shows, it is below the principal axis and it is of the same size as of the object. Now it is very easy. Second one, we have to find out the power. The focal length of a convex lens is 20 centimeter. What is its power? So you have to find out the power. But see children, it is given in centimeters, so you convert always in meter, because F we always write in meter. 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter. You have to find out power of the lens. P is equal to 1 upon F in meter. Bracket means we have to convert in meter. So 1 upon 0.2 is equal to 5 diopter. That means the power of the lens is 5 diopter. Okay children.